Hello student, how are you? I hope you all are fine. And now welcome to you all our class 5th social science, same chapter again because we have been discussing from our previous class the chapter 6, the environment, isn't it? So the environment is the chapter, and in this chapter we have been discussing about some topics from our last class. And in our last class we have already completed the topic, which one children? The pollution. Yes or no? We have already completed the topic, the pollution, and as well as land pollution. Because the pollution, there are three types of the pollutions are there. We have already discussed the first one, the pollution, the land pollution, that one which is already we have completed in our last class. So let us memorize once again what is pollution. So I will give you note children already. The pollution is nothing but the introduction of the harmful materials. The introduction of the harmful materials into the environment. So the harmful materials is called as a pollutants, and it may be the artificial or natural. So in this way we have discussed in our last class. And what is land pollution? Land pollution is nothing but the littering of the surface of the earth. Littering means to depositing waste on the land. Littering of the surface of the earth by human activities or other activities is called as land pollution. So that means making land dirty. So that is land pollution. In this way we have discussed about the land pollution. Now today class, now we shall discuss about the next one pollution, that is water pollution. The next pollution is water pollution. We see here that today in this session we shall discuss about the mainly water pollution. Yes children, you know children, the water, how water pollutes, what is the main reason? You know children already how water pollutes. On I will see this picture here, there the two kinds of the water. A glass of water, one glass water is very clean, and another glass of water is dirty, you see. So in the today class we will discuss about how water become dirty, and what is water pollution, and what are the effects of the water pollution, and what are the main solution or remedies of the water pollution. So let's begin. What is water pollution? So water pollution children, will see here the definition I wrote here. The water pollution, you already know the water is very important. Water is one of the valuable resources provided to us by nature, and we use water so many purposes, and while using we also make water dirty, isn't it no children? We also make water dirty in many ways, and we will see the definition. What is water pollution? Littering of the water bodies by human or natural activities. Littering of the water bodies by human or natural activities is called as water pollution. So that means what I already in the last class told the meaning of the littering. Littering means depositing the waste on the water bodies such as the river, lake. So what is the meaning of the littering? Depositing the lake or putting the waste, depositing the waste or putting the waste into the water bodies. Which are the water bodies? Such as lake, river, sea. So that is called as the water pollution. So repeat once again definition: littering of the water bodies by human or natural activities. In other words, you can say the water pollution, there are different meaning, different definitions are there, and that is water. The different definition is water pollution is the already told littering of the water bodies by the human activities or natural activities. So in this way, totally it is the contamination of water by human activities, or making the water dirty by addition of substances called pollutants is called as water pollution. So this is the definition and meaning of the water pollution. This is the definition. I hope you all are understood about the definition of the water pollution. Now let us understand what are the causes, what are the main reason to water pollution, what are the causes. Let us understand what are the causes of the water pollution. So mainly you all know children, we also making sometimes water pollute while we using. Yes or no children? Now how mainly the first dumping garbage into the water bodies. This is one of the activity so done by the people. Dumping garbage into the water bodies. The water bodies may be the lake, pond, river, so anything. So that means you know children, we are dumping the garbage into the water bodies through the big vehicle. So due to this the water is pollutes. Due to this reason also water pollutes due to this reason. So this is one of the main cause to pollute the water. And second one is washing clothes, utensils, bathing animals, and etc. So these are the activities also done by the people. Washing clothes, utensil, bathing animals in the water bodies. So this one also one of the activities. So due to this also pollute the water. So these activities, the washing clothes, because many people in nowadays also in village side they washing their clothes in the near the river or pond in village side also. In village side and any other sides you may have seen some people are washing their clothes into the water. So it is not correct. And some people are washing their utensils like in kitchen utensils like the plate and other things. So washing in the water. So this makes water dirty. This one also. And some people are bathing their animals like bulls and cow, goats in the water bodies such as any pond. So this lead to the water dirty. So these are all activities. And another thing is untreated waste from factories. So this led to the water pollutes. Untreated waste from factories. You know children, the many factories discharge the waste. Many factories, the big factories discharge their waste and that joins into the water bodies, near the water bodies. So due to this reason also water pollutes. Due to this reason water is polluting. Which reason? Untreated waste from the factories. This is one of the cause to pollute the water. And next one is sewage from residential areas. Sewage from residential areas. You know children, sewage, dirty water. Sewage means dirty water and pollute water from residential, our house, residential area where we are living. So that the dirty water is reached into the river or pond. So like this, in this way the water is pollutes. This reason also due to the sewage from residential areas, isn't it? And you see the next one, the pesticides and fertilizers. Due to the pesticides and fertilizers, yes children, because the farmers are spreading the pesticides and fertilizers. Due to this reason also water pollutes. How? You know children, what is pesticide? What is the meaning of the pesticide? Pesticide is the chemical substance. Pesticide is nothing but it is a chemical substance. It is used for to killing the insect of the plant by the farmers. To killing the insect on the plant and it is used by farmers. It is one of the chemical substance. So when the falling the rainfall, when rainfall, during that moment the pesticide is washed away, and that pesticide is washed away and joining into the river or near the water bodies. So in this way also water pollutes. Not only pesticide and fertilizers also. What is fertilizers? It is on this one also chemical substance added in the soil to increase the fertility of the soil. So that is the fertilizer. The farmers are adding fertilizer into the soil to increase their fertility. After rainfall, that the fertilizer also washed away. That fertilizer also washed away and joined into the river or pond. So in this region also the water pollutes. In this region also, which one? Pesticides, spreading the pesticides and fertilizer by the farmers. So this is one of the cause. And another one reason, natural activism. Some another reason means how the water pollutes apart from the human activities. Then you can say natural activity also. By the some natural activity led to the pollute water. So let us see which are the natural activities, such as volcanoes. Yes or no, children? Such as volcanoes and floods, storms. So these are the some natural activities or calamity makes the water too dirty because during the volcano erupting time, you know already how volcanoes are occur, because we have already discussed in the previous class. So during the volcanoes occurring time, the ashes or the liquid magma it will come outside and making that liquid reaching to the any water bodies and making that water pollute. So and ash also. So in this way water pollutes by the natural activities. During the floods time, all the excess water of the river came into the it will come into the village and makes it all the water pollutes. So in this way the water pollutes by the natural activities also, isn't it, children? So these are the some causes which makes water to pollutes. I hope you all understood all these causes pollute the water pollution, isn't it? Now let us see the how it will affect, how if the water pollutes, how it affect us. Let us understand, children. Now let us understand what are the effects of water pollution. So see what are the effects of water pollution. Yes, children, who consumes this polluted water? Who consumes the polluted water? It can lead to diseases like hepatitis and other infections. Isn't it, children? Who consumes the polluted waters, that lead to the diseases like hepatitis and diseases caused by the polluted waters. Not only these, apart from there are many diseases are there, but these are the major diseases caused by the after drinking the polluted water, children. So what is here hepatitis disease? You know the diseases. What is hepatitis disease? It is a disease. It is a disease. Serious. It is a serious liver infection. It is a serious liver infection disease caused by virus hepatitis. Remember this. Which disease it is? It is a serious liver infection disease caused by the hepatitis virus. And what is this is cholera. This one also one of the disease caused by the water pollution after drinking the pollute water. So this disease, which disease? Cholera. This is the disease name cholera. You already know, children. You already the many people are facing this disease during the rainy season. So this one also disease. It is a bacterial disease. Which one? Cholera disease is a bacterial disease, and this is the main due to the pollute water. This disease occur due to the pollute water. So remember this. These are the disease. These are the disease result of the polluted water. Remember this. And not only disease, not only these disease. The another effect of the polluted water is here you can see the polluted water kills the organism that depend on the water bodies, isn't it, children? The polluted water kills the organism which are living in the water bodies. You know which are the animals are living in the inside the water, inside such as the fish, crabs, dolphins in the oceans. So they also suffer due to the pollute water because of after polluting the water by the human activities or other activities. Here who will suffer here? The marine life which are living in the ocean or in the other any water bodies. So they also suffer and they will die due to the pollute water. So in this way there are many effects are there due to the water pollution. So that means to control, avoid this, what we should do to reduce the water pollution, children? What we should do to control the water pollution? This is a question for us to save our environment. To save our environment, so that is what we should do. That is questions we should ask ourselves, isn't it, children? So therefore let us understand what are the remedies. What are the remedies to reduce water pollution maybe as possible, isn't it, children? So let us see what are the remedies could possible to reduce the water pollution. Let us see. And to reduce the water pollution, is there one of the very easy way, that is educate the people to stop dumping garbage into the water bodies and sewage from residential areas and bathing animal in the water bodies. So these all activity stop by creating awareness among the people. So this is the first step, beginning step. We should create the awareness among the people to stop these all activities by creating awareness among the people. Yes or no, children? This is the beginning step. Then only it is possible to avoid, to control the water pollution, isn't it? So therefore educate people to stop dumping garbage or other materials, the dirty materials into the water bodies, isn't it, children? And also stop industrial waste discharge into the water. Yes, children, this one also very important, because in the cities and towns we can see many industries and factories which are discharging the lot of waste into the water, lot of the waste from the factories. So these are very harmful substances which are joining into the water bodies. So therefore we should create awareness among the people due to this issue. This one also very important. So we have to create, or we have to educate the people about the pollute water, in which way water is polluting, so how we should control it. So what is the beginning step? So in this way we have to create awareness among the people through making the big wall post and any other manner. Totally we should create the awareness or educate the people to stop all these activity the which are the comes under human activities. Then only possible to control the water pollution, isn't it, children? So therefore, in this way, if we take steps to control the water pollution, it will help to clean our environment, isn't it, children? So uh, today onwards, we also take care about the environment. And now in today class, we completed about the water pollution. And now we are completed the topic today class, water pollution. What are the causes of the water pollution and effects of the water pollution and remedies of the water pollution, isn't it, children? And I hope you all are understood about the today topic very well. And we will meet again in the next class with the next topic, that is air pollution, isn't it, children? We will meet again with the next topic, air pollution. And in today class, you need to take the homework, today class homework question, children. This is what is water pollution. This is the today class homework question. You need to write down this question, what is water pollution, explain in detail. This is the today class homework question. So you need to copy and make it properly. And we will meet again in our next class, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.